On November 4th, 1997, the Department of Health and Human Services scheduled a meeting with me because they were denying so many of the claims. This meeting was scheduled for November 18th, 1997. At that meeting was going to be Blue Cross and Blue Shield, the medical director, James Alexander, and they were going to tell us what documentation errors that we had. There were 11 patients who had been previously denied as non-covered service and not a medical necessity. We reviewed those with the medical director of Blue Cross and Blue Shield. And at the end of this meeting, we were encouraged by the medical director to sign all of our progress notes and resubmit them to Medicare for payment. And let's look and see what the results were. Here's the claims analysis of that meeting. Here you'll see the date 10/3/97, the date the claim was denied. The services rendered was an office visit. The reason the claim was denied was a non-covered service. We met with Blue Cross and Blue Shield, James Alexander, on November 18th. He said that they were covered services and that they should be appealed. We appealed them on 12/2/97, and Luann Curry denied the claim as no documentation received. However, we met with them on November the 18th. We appealed it, and then she stated that she had no documentation. The fair hearing did not get any documentation. All of them were very much the same. Let's look at Luann Curry again on 12/2. She stated no documentation was received. Then Miss Frida Fee said the claim reviewed is not reasonably necessary. And then the same person said on 12/29 of the same day, no documentation was received. If you did not have any documentation, how did you deny the claim, the office visit to urinalysis, as a non-covered service and not a medical necessity? Let's look at this claim, for instance. 9/25, it was denied, office visit and urinalysis. James Alexander, they said they did not receive any documentation. We met with them. And let's look at Marge Hutchins, said that the claim to receive is not reasonably necessary. Christy Cooper said no documentation was received. Luann Curry said that the appeal claims was not received. And Frida Fee said that the appeal claims were not reviewed.